In my review of this Parkside Chop Vac, I mentioned that the suction wasn't as strong as I expected. One of you suggested trying a different dust bag and even recommended this brand. So I ordered a pack of 4 and now it's time to put them to the test. So let's get straight to the testing, no boring facts about vacuum bags. Bleh. We'll be doing 2 tests, one on a long pile carpet and one on a short pile carpet. For each test, I'll use 100 grams of sand, walk over it 10 times, and then make 10 passes with the vacuum nozzle. I also use the same battery for both tests, fully recharged before each one. Let's start with the long pile carpet and the original dust bag. It actually did a decent job with the original dust bag. There's still some sand left deep in the carpet, but I'd say it picked up around 70% of it. Let's try the new bag next. The replacement bag also did a decent job. One thing I did notice though was that this section of the carpet was fluffier than the first one.
Was it fluffy?
So the sand was a bit harder to pick up. Based on this simple test, I couldn't see a significant difference between the 2 dust bags. Now let's move on to the next test, the short pile carpet. Just like before, we'll start with the original dust bag, then move on to the new one. So, what's the verdict? Overall, I couldn't see a huge difference between the 2 dust bags. On the short pile carpet, the new dust bag seemed to pick up at the sand a little quicker and remove slightly more sand. On the long pile carpet, the results were much closer, although the carpet conditions weren't exactly the same. One thing that did stand out though was the quality of the new dust bag. It feels much better made than the original one, and that's definitely a big plus. Would I buy this again? Well, it depends on what I'll be using this shop bag for. The new dust bag is about half the size of the original one, so it wouldn't hold nearly as much sawdust or debris. For bigger jobs, I probably stick to the original bag, but for general cleaning or smaller do-it-yourself projects, I think the new dust bag would work just fine. What do you think? Did either of these bags perform better? Let me know in the comments.